Isaiah, please have mercy on me. Number one, I got party footage.
Say
hi. Hi. Melissa, say hi. Hi, Ben. Hi. Hi, Joel.
Are they gauges?
Woo, party!
What? The gauges, yeah.
Granted, you can't really see because it was really dark because we were outside, but I still got it, so please have mercy. Also, reason number two you should have mercy on me for taking so long for posting this is because I spent most of Saturday in the clinic hospital because I got cellulitis, which is an infection of the soft tissue, and I got it in my knee, and so it looked like I had an extra kneecap right like above my kneecap. So that was pretty exciting. It hurt a lot, and so I'm on an antibiotic right now to get rid of the infection. So only some freak skin infection would happen to me, right? Like the clumsiest person on earth. Apparently, you can get it from running into objects. Like I hit my knee the night before. The doctor's like, "Oh, did you bump your knee the night?" I was like, "Yeah, I bump my knee all the time." He was like, "Oh, it can be caused from that." I was like, "Great, so my clumsiness can cause freak skin diseases. Awesome." I'm begging for mercy. Please don't punish me too harshly for taking so long. I feel really bad. I've been trying, but I was just having knee issues. Your challenge to me was to film my vlog at a party. Granted, I got like 5 seconds of footage from said party. However, I was still at a party. My challenge to you is to film your entire vlog with a mystery guest. I know that's probably not very exciting, but I think it'd be fun to spice things up a bit and involve someone else for a video, just to see what they can add to the mix. Isaiah, I'll see you soon.